Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo, signed on February 2, 1848, marked a pivotal moment in U.S. Mexico relations and the territorial expansion of the United States. This treaty officially ended the Mexican-American War, which had erupted in 1846 over disputes related to Texas and its annexation by the United States. The war was characterized by significant military engagements and political tensions, culminating in the U.S. capturing Mexico City in September 1847. The treaty was negotiated by U.S. envoy Nicholas Trist, who defied instructions from President James K. Polk to secure a favorable agreement for the United States despite the precarious situation in Mexico, where the government was under duress from military defeat. Under the terms of the treaty, Mexico ceded approximately 55% of its territory, which included present-day California, Nevada, Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, and parts of Colorado, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Wyoming. In return for this vast expanse of land, the United States agreed to pay Mexico $15 million and assume $3 million in claims made by American citizens against the Mexican government. This financial arrangement was crucial for Mexico as it sought to stabilize its economy post-war. The treaty also established the Rio Grande as the southern boundary of Texas, effectively resolving a long-standing border dispute. The ratification process was contentious. While the Senate ultimately approved the treaty on March 10, 1848, it did so after removing Article 10, which had guaranteed protections for Mexican land grants. This omission would later lead to significant legal disputes over land ownership in the newly acquired territories. The treaty's signing not only expanded U.S. territory but also raised complex issues regarding citizenship for Mexicans living in these areas. Those who chose to remain were granted U.S. citizenship and civil rights. However, many faced discrimination and challenges in their new status. The implications of the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo were profound and far-reaching. It facilitated America's westward expansion and contributed to the notion of manifest destiny, the belief that Americans were destined to expand across North America. However, this expansion came at a significant cost to Mexico and its people, leading to lasting tensions between the two nations. The acquisition of such a large territory also intensified debates within the United States about slavery's extension into new states and territories, laying groundwork for future conflicts that would culminate in the Civil War. In summary, the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo was not merely a diplomatic agreement. It was a transformative event that reshaped borders, national identities, and geopolitical dynamics in North America. Its legacy continues to influence U.S.-Mexico relations today as well as discussions surrounding immigration, citizenship rights, and historical grievances stemming from this critical period in both nations' histories.